I, you, he, she. How do you say these words in Italian? Well, that's what we will learn today. Io is the equivalent of I, and I use it when I want to talk about me. Tu means you. Then we have lui, that means he, masculine. Lei, that means she, feminine. And then we have lei with a capital L. This is equivalent to you, but formal. In Italian, we use tu when we talk to a friend, and lei when speaking to someone older than us who is a stranger or toward whom we want to show respect or with whom we want to maintain a distance. I use lei when I talk to a man or a woman without any distinction. Let's see a few examples. Francesco, tu sei alto. I'm talking to you, Francesco, and I'm saying you are tall. Signor Rossi, lei è alto. I'm talking to you, Mr. Rossi, saying you are tall, but in a formal way. Signora Rossi, lei è alta. Same as before, but talking to a woman. Mrs. Rossi, you are tall. Let's go on with the plurals. Noi means we. I will use noi when I talk about me with somebody else. For example, io e Luigi is equivalent to noi. Voi means you, plural, like when I say you all, you guys. I will use voi when I talk to you and someone else. For example, when I talk to tu e Luisa, I will use voi. Finally, loro means they. I will use it when I talk about other people. For example, Francesco e Paola is equivalent to loro.